What if I told you there's a pen that writes and digitizes your notes in real time? It even organizes your notes with AI, categorizing by subject and date. Let's dive in and see if this revolutionary tool lives up to the hype. Marketed as the ultimate productivity tool for students, I had to try it. Setup was straightforward: unbox, connect, and install the app. Could this Smartpen revolutionize student learning? Let's find out. Unboxing the Smartpen. The packaging feels premium. Sleek design, light and ergonomic. Let's see how it performs. The writing experience is smooth and natural. Notes sync instantly. AI converts messy handwriting effortlessly. For X dollars, it's not cheap, but if you love hybrid tech, it might be worth it. Imagine having all your notes in one place, easily accessible and organized. The convenience of digital note-taking combined with the tactile feel of writing can enhance your study sessions. However, the initial cost and learning curve can be barriers. Some might prefer traditional methods. Would you use this for school? Comment below and let us know how this tech could change your study habits. Hit that sub for more tech reviews. Your feedback helps us bring you the content you need. Let's dive into a hands-on demo of this Smartpen in real-world scenarios. Write a note, and the digital version appears instantly on the app. The handwriting recognition converts scribbles into clear text. Sync notes with audio recording during lectures. Tap on a word to hear the corresponding audio. The app categorizes notes by subject, date, and keywords. Easily find specific information without endless scrolling. We encountered some challenges during our tests. The pen struggled with cursive writing and syncing large files. AI categorization sometimes misclassified notes. Despite these issues, the pen's overall performance is solid. It blends traditional and digital note-taking seamlessly. That's a detailed look at the Smartpen in action. Drop a comment if you have questions or want more tests. Like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.